What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar with C-Zar Gets Crypto, and we are talking about Jesus Coin today, yet again. I wanted to talk about it real quick because not a whole lot's changed. Going to make a quick little video. General idea, in case I didn't make it clear enough for some people out there. We're going to consolidate. We're going to consolidate, guys. I think we are in a phase of consolidation probably for the next week to week and a half. I think that's what we're going to see, right? We've been doing this now for this is our third day, right? You want to count this as a day? Okay, then this is our fourth day. But this was the top, I would say 1, 2, 3 days after. We're on our third day right now. So we probably have another 7 to 10 days, or 7 to 11 days, something like that, of consolidating. And that would take us toward like the mid-end of the month, but still plenty of time before the burn happens, right? 11 days from now, if we were to go out that far, would be 1, 2, 3, 11. Would be right here on the 16th. The burn happens on the 15th. That still leaves us 9 days for pumping. And if you want to see what this thing can do in 9 days, well, we got 1 day here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We can do a lot of damage in 9 days. Okay, so it's more than enough time, even if we were to consolidate for a full 2 weeks, which I don't think we're going to, but I'm giving that as like the limit. I think that we will. We can go, again, I said this yesterday, and this warranted a smart-ass remark from somebody. They were saying, so you say it can go up or it can go down. Thanks, that was a waste of my time. Yes, absolutely. It can go up or it can go down. That's how the price works, especially when you're consolidating. I did say several times yesterday that we are going to have moments of excitement and moments of disparity probably over the next couple weeks, right? There's going to be these lulls, these low points where people are going to be like, oh no, is it going to go down? Is it not going up higher anymore? There's going to be these exciting points where everyone's like, grab your moon boots, we're going right now, and then and then the disparity gets fed. I do think we're going to see up and down. That's what consolidating is for the next week to week and a half. That's just that's my genuine opinion. And looking at this here, looking at the 4-hour RSI, we found some resistance here, here, and here on the 50, a very significant level on any RSI. Found support before, found support. It drove us higher. What's it going to do now that we're finding resistance? It's probably going to drive us lower. So here we are sitting at 603. By the time you watch this will probably already come into fruition. But I would actually expect, guys, that we break this higher low trend. I was kind of hopeful. I thought that we were going to hold this, right? And maybe we do hold it. Maybe we do. We haven't broken it yet. But I would think with this like triple rejection off the 50 that we are overdue. We have a date with destiny to this oversold zone, probably. And then from there, we might find our actual low. And I think that our low, this might be our actual low, but I just want to point out, we did find support right here where we found support previously. Could we come all the way back down? Probably see our oversold zone if we do, and find support in this area again, kind of form a double bottom, if you would, right? The last time we found support down here, bullish reaction. The time before or after that, bullish reaction. If we come down here, I think it will be an ultimate buying opportunity. Maybe we scare people and we wick just a little bit lower, maybe. But I very much would expect that we hold this like closing low period here as support. We very well could even hold this closing low period as support. Maybe we get a slightly higher low or something like that. But all in all, this 4-hour RSI, guys, and price just dropped a little bit, actually, just a little bit, not too much. This doesn't look too encouraging. Just calling it what it is. It's not too encouraging. On the 1-hour, RSI looks neutral but weak, right? You don't even touch your overbought zone, but you have no problem being oversold, hitting your oversold zone. More time below the 50 than above the 50. I think that we are probably right now, by the time most of you watch this, will probably be, I would assume, we're going to break this trend here, and we'll probably be below this line here. So if I was to buy, if I was interested in buying, I might, oh, look at that. There's going right now. Would have been a perfect time to make a live stream, but I got things I got to do, man. So this is what you get. You get the dead stream. No, but don't be worried. Don't be scared. Be prepared. Here we go, man. Catching it on video, actually. Would have been a perfect live stream to catch the dump. If you want to buy, it's probably getting to be decent times to buy. Not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but I do think that we will see the price go lower. What we have also on this daily time frame on the RSIs, we have this tremendous support at the 50 level as well, which we're not there yet, right? So we could absolutely go a little bit lower, close down here. I was actually saying whenever we had this drop, we were like up here right? It was this day. Like you can see where the vertical line intersects the orange line. We were literally like right here. I was like, I hope we go lower. Let's cool off. This RSI was really hot. Let's cool off. Give it another chance, because you don't need bearish divergence. You don't need a lower high to form a top. But I would expect it. I kind of would expect it. It's a pretty common enough thing to do. And especially after such a phenomenal run like this, I would think that we have at least another drive higher to either give, I don't know, to give us like bearish divergence, or, you know, like what I'm trying to say is either we have a drive higher like this that goes higher, or we have like a double top where we prove that we actually aren't going to go higher, something like that. Either way, I do believe that we're going to have another opportunity to sell if the time comes for that. I personally won't be selling here. I'll be holding, unless we're like here on the week of the burn, but I'm not planning on selling anything until the burn date, so I really don't care what price does. Right now, I'm not too worried about it at all. Fearless, right? The saying before throughout all this was "to the gates," right? This was our "to the gates" time, okay? To the gates, to the heavenly gates themselves. Right now, it's fearless times. Okay, you look at this bearish price action, and you just say, "I'm fearless. I'm gonna buy some." Not financial advice. Not a financial advisor again, but that's all I got for you guys, man. I don't know if I have anything else I want to say. I do think it's good times to buy. I think that we're going to see another drive higher. Yada yada yada. Probably going to consolidate for the next week or so. I hope I didn't waste anybody's time. Take care. Have a good night. Bye bye.